Hey everyone, DHG from Plomor here. We all know the Land Cruiser 250 is built for the wild, but once you actually hit those narrow trails or remote areas, you realize just how vulnerable the factory paint and lights really are. I've seen a lot of messages from LC250 owners, and the biggest concern is always the same. You want hardcore protection, but you don't want to ruin these iconic lines, and most importantly, nobody wants to start drilling holes into a brand new rig. So today, instead of new releases, I'm doing a deep dive review of our protection 4-piece kit. Let's see if this is the perfect balance you've been looking for. First up, let's talk about the Bug Deflector. When most people think of this, they imagine those bulky leather covers or giant plastic trunks. They might stop rocks, but they totally kill the clean look of the front end. That's why we redesigned it. Think of this not as a bulky add-on, but as a second skin for your hood. It flows perfectly with the LC250's curves, giving the front end a lower, more aggressive mag-style look. For the install, we went with the safest route, high-strength 3M tape. It's rock solid, but ensures zero damage to your paint. Even for the perfectionists out there, it's a total win. Next, moving to the side, the D-pillar on the 250 is a huge target for scratches, especially when reversing or squeezing through tight trails. Our D-pillar grab handle is less of decoration and more of a tactical gear platform. We went with Mag alloy. It's incredibly light, so it adds zero stress to the body, but it's tough enough to take a real hit. It features a standard mold system, those geometric cutouts, and just for looks. You can strap on your fuel cans, recovery gear, or camping lights right here. Plus, we added a heavy-duty grab handle. Whether you are cleaning the roof or securing gear, it gives you a solid anchor point. We use factory mounting points and rim nuts, so there's no extra drilling required. It's rock solid even on the washboard road. It gives the 250 that truly overlanding tactical vibe it deserves. Now, if you've ever been on a narrow trail, you're probably worried about those big side mirrors. The stock plastic just can't handle the brush. And let's be honest, replacing the whole mirror assembly is an expensive headache. Our Mag mirror guards give you a full metal jacket. Check out these geometric textures. The Mag black finish keeps that OEM look, but cranks the toughness up to 10. But here's the game changer, the integrated Gopro mount on top. Forget those shaky windshield suctions. This is the prime angle to capture your front tires crawling or the scenery passing by. It slides right over the factory cover and installs in minutes without affecting the power folding or any other functions. Better protection, better footage. It's a no-brainer. Finally, the grand finale of the kit, the taillight guards. In the wild, tail lights are the most overlooked key zones when reversing. We skipped the cheap plastic used everywhere and used the high-performance Mag alloy. This off-road gear style transforms your rear end from a standard SUV into a piece of tactical gear. Because we use 3D scanning data for the design, the fit is seamless. It wraps perfectly around the light without blocking your signals or brake lights at all. It's a no-drill install using 3M tape and reinforced screws. It's the definition of being armed to teeth. As you've seen, the core philosophy here is non-destructive. I know how it feels to not want to cut into a new car. That's why we stick to an OEM-style fit. Everything is modeled from original vehicle data. Even if you are new to modes, you can get this all done in your garage over the weekend in about 2 hours. That's the beauty of DIY. So that's the Plomor LC250 Hardcore Protection Kit. It's more than just accessories. It's insurance for your next adventure. If you want to make your Land Cruiser stand out or have questions about the install, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you enjoyed this kind of deep dive, I'm DHG, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.